Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. And please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through, we're very, very girly here. So today, I'm like, in my new apartment, I'm just testing out so many different angles, like I just really can't decide, so now I'm testing out this one. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this. And it's so extra because this is like a wedding decoration. Like that's how they're sold on Amazon, as a wedding decoration. I bought them for my room. So a lot of you guys really like when I show you how I edit Instagram photos and show a lot of my Instagram process and stuff. So today I decided that I'm gonna show y'all how to do really cute Instagram stories. So today we'll be showing you a lot of Instagram story hacks and how to make things really pretty and really cute. And it's really easy, really quick, like it literally, I do it on the fly, on the spot. So I hope you guys can learn something and make your little Instagram stories super cute. But before we get into this, I want to show you guys this adorable company. I recently started really loving tea, so I've been drinking so much tea every day, and I found this company that does tea subscription boxes. And I personally love subscription boxes. I think it's so much fun to get like a monthly thing of cute things that you didn't pick out. And this company is called Sipsby, and what's cool about them is that they have a personalized quiz online to test out what flavors you would be interested in, so you're not getting things totally random. You could if you wanted to, there is an option for that. But if you want them to kind of know where your taste lies, you could do a whole personalized quiz and they'll send you things based on what you say. Like you could say like, I don't want fruity teas, or I don't want minty teas, so they won't send you that. And here it is. Look at the box it comes in though. Like already, it's so freaking cute. Like look at the little hearts and everything. Y'all know me, I'm literally such a sucker for packaging, and this is so freaking cute. So I'm gonna show you what I got this month. This is the September teas, and they're different for every single person, but this is what I got in my box, so I'm excited to show y'all. Like, enjoy your teas. So freaking cute, oh my god. So we have the little cute September teas right off the bat, and they tell you which teas you got in their descriptions on the back here, and it says made for Jennifer-Biana, so it'll have your name and it'll be like made for you. September is a time of transition. Long summer days give way to autumn's change of pace. The weather cools down and tea starts to warm up. Happy September, Jennifer-Biana, XOXO, Team Sips. I love that. So here are my teas. 4 bags of this one. This tea they prefer with milk, so you obviously don't have to do that, but if you want. And then they sent me this company, Tea Pigs, and this is an organic feel-good tea with guarana. So it's a herbal tea, and it tells you all the information in the back, and I love that they sent me some organic teas. Love that. So these are them. These are the caffeine-free ones, and you could also say on the quiz if you want caffeine-free or if you want caffeinated, which is really great. This one is from Tea Chino, and it's an herbal tea, and the flavor is dandelion red chai, and it's acid-free. So these are here. And they also sent me this, which I was so shocked by. It's by David's Tea, which is like a really big tea brand, and it's vanilla matcha, and I've never tried that before. So it's creamy and refreshing. It's coconut nectar matcha green tea, and I've medium caffeine. I am excited for this one. I don't know when I'm pulling this bad boy out, but like it is so interesting. Like love that. So cute, so adorable, and I can't wait to get my October one. So if you want $5 off your first box, use the code TLOVE, and the link will be down in the description below if you want this service. It's super cute. I so recommend if you love tea. It's so fun. Okay, now on to the bad and bougie and cute Insta stories. I'm gonna make an Instagram story with these teas, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna angle it so that it looks really freaking cute. So I angled it so that like you could see that it's made for Jennifer-Biana, Sips by, and I'm gonna put a couple cute little teas right here. this is how I'm gonna take the photo. And now I'm gonna go on my iPhone X. I'm gonna get the new phone soon, don't worry. I'm definitely gonna film an unboxing for that, of course. So here's my Instagram, a shameless plug. So here are all my photos. Y'all know my style if y'all been watching like how I edit all my Instagram photos. But yeah, here are all of my little Instagram highlights. Like here's one of them that I took, so freaking darling. And here's another one. It's just so about like aesthetics, all of my Insta stories. Look at this, oh my god. But yeah, I definitely play with all of the GIFs and all of the text varieties to make all these things look so cute. This, like the self-love, that's so cute. All of these falling hearts on it, ah! Okay, anyways, just play around with angles and see what looks cute. I actually think this looks really cute. So I'm gonna take this photo. And as you can see, the flash makes it so much brighter and the pink looks lighter and it just looks so cute. Yeah, I love this. So literally just playing around with angles and seeing how things look. The lights in the background, I have this little picture in the background. So as you can see here, it's a little empty. So I definitely want to fill that up with space. So wherever there's no space, I like to fill it up with light, cute things, but make sure not to like overwhelm and overcrowd it. He's so calm. Here is really fun. You can just go here and you could add so many things that you want. I go to GIFs straight away. It's like the funnest, cutest thing you can do. I usually do whatever is involved in the photo. So this is for like tea, so I'm gonna search up tea. I'm definitely putting those leaves in it because that's freaking cute. And then I like the hey there hot tea, love that. You see I'm gonna put these like little leaves. Actually these leaves are rotating so it looks kind of weird, never mind. But let's search up leaves because that really inspired me and I was like, oh my god, they're so cute. Here's some leaves that aren't moving, so we could like put them in this little corner here. As you can see, so cute. I never use these like filters. For me, like I like that crisp, like bright feeling. Actually, I think we should put like a cup of tea because I think that would be so cute. So, ooh, this one's kind of cute. I'll put that in this corner. And then I'm gonna put in words. I'm gonna be like, thanks so much at Sipsby for sending me these adorable September teas. And the font is so important. Like, it's just like what looks good. Usually I love doing this one, but like it's so hard to read. Like I love script, but sometimes it's so hard to read. So script you should do with like littler, like little sentences or like one word. And this one doesn't look cozy enough. It's just, you just have to go for the vibe. I think this one is gonna be really good. So my favorite color that I always use for Insta stories is this light pink right here. It's just so perfect. If I'm ever doing the little color in the back, I always choose this one because then this looks so much cuter. But I think that this background isn't that busy, so we could get away without putting the little background on it, because I only do the little background on the letters if it's really necessary, because otherwise it makes it look a little messier. So because we're putting this right here, put hey there hot tea down here so that there's not too much words in one area. And I'm gonna put this little cup right here. And this is how I filled up the space. So I think that looks so freaking cute. And it's just so little, so fun, so easy. And this looks adorable. So I'm posting it. Now I'm gonna show you how to do another photo. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I would do for like a location photo as well as a picture of yourself. This, if you have a really small photo, you can do that, but I always move it in a little closer. Actually, yeah, I always move it in a little closer because I like when it takes up the full picture. You hack when you're doing a location, and we're gonna write the Louvre. Musée du Louvre. And this, literally, I hate this whole aesthetic. It just looks so ugly. So what you can do is tap it to do this and make it transparent, which is so much prettier. And it just is so much more aesthetic. So usually I make that smaller or in like a corner. Actually, it looks like nicer in the sky. It looks way nicer, way cleaner. And now this is the fun part, we get to decorate. I never use the immediate ones. I feel like they're really boring. So, and also obviously for Instagram hacks, like questions is so fun, and these cute things are fun. Here we're just doing it purely aesthetics and graphic design, so we're not gonna use them, but these are really cute and fun to do on Instagram. Go back to our trusty gifts, and we're gonna put in, I'll often just put in pretty and see what pops up. Actually the photo's too like subdued to put like such bold colors on it. Do you see these little sparkles here in this corner? You can actually put them on the Louvre. Yeah, so that's like the littlest thing that I'm gonna add here, but I definitely need to put more things. This is how I do my hearts that like go all over the place. Another good thing I like to put in sometimes, I put in Bougie and see what happens, or like fashion and all that stuff. Those are also really cute things come up. Like, I don't know, I just found this quote, but like this actually is really cute. Everything must come from heart must be lived. I think that looks really aesthetic, so I actually am gonna keep this in here. And sometimes I also put in love, because I love like seeing what comes up here. Like I use this one a lot because I think that's really cute. Oh, I love this heart one. I use this one, oh my god, yes, this is perfect. So I use this one a lot because it's just like such a bougie little heart. So yeah, this would be this photo because it's just like more of like a bougie aesthetic. If you ever just wanted to take a cute little picture of something, just always do flash. Another really good trick is if you want to write something out, and a lot of people do this, so if I want to take this picture and write, but you could always undo if things don't come out cute. And then I'm gonna put a little heart here. Oh my god, this heart. Oh boy. I'm not very good at this. Okay, so this is cute, right? And then you can take another color and then like underdo it like this. And then this looks a million times cuter. And this is a cute little way to spice things up. And also another cute little tip is if you take a picture of something and you want to make that little cute messy look, and if we say Paris again, and I'm gonna do it in script because it's one word so it's easier read, but still it's not that bold, it's not as bold as you want it to be, you could take this and then just scribble in a background. But I don't like that, I could just erase this part. And now it's so cute. I hope I gave you a lot of advice on how to do Instagram stories. These are like little things that make a big impact in your story. So let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this. See y'all next time. Bye guys.